Alright man, thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos. We are going to show you how to check the differential fluid and see if you need to add something to it. Alright. This is your drain plug here. This is your fill plug. 14 millimeters. And what you want to do is, don't use a gear wrench like I'm doing because it ain't gonna work. Alright, you want to break the drain plug loose. Put a rag under it. You want to pull the drain plug out. Alright, you see where oil's pouring out of there? You know it's good whenever the oil stops pouring out. You know you're full. If you do not see a little bit of oil, I would add some to it and keep checking it, and it is full whenever oil starts pouring back out of it. We use 30 weight gear oil in our gas cars. We have no problem with them. All right, man, stay tuned. I'll try to leave some more videos. If you need a video on something, hit me up and I'll try to make you one.